Hi guys. Today we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button. We're gonna be press the button today, guys. So yeah, let's do this. By the way, sorry for not posting in a while. I've just things. Anyways, yeah, new video. Please like and subscribe. By the way, I'll actually do doors. I forgot. Well, guys, I'll do doors. The actual doors floor 2 at 110 subscribers. Like and subscribe if you want to. Okay. Imagine it's survivor. 3 survivors they left. Bro, what? Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. No! I'm a zombie. You're the that person I think is be the last. Who's the last survivor anyway? Bro. I'm gonna say no. No. You hacking? Yeah. Who's hacking? Or is this bro just mad? Oh, he took this. Oh, bro. How do I keep dying? It's probably because I'm on mobile. By the way, guys, this is my account I make videos on. FunnyGuy8742. So if you want to friend me, friend me. But when I have max, I can't accept friend requests anymore. Uh-oh, I'm cooked. So, guys, I'm so cooked. Dang it. Bro. That sucks. I don't have any, plans. I don't think so. What's the lowest? 100? No, that's not the lowest. You know what? I'm gonna probably pass up and see. You guys could also friend me on the account I use a lot. Anyways, yeah, let's go. This again? I'm just gonna open the chat. Nah. Anyway, bro, no. Wait. Do I respawn? No, bro. That's the most sucking thing. No. I said suck with an S. Okay, so just so you guys know. What's that, guys? All right, back, guys. Here's the next one. Well, wait, whoever's... Yo, I want to win. You know what? We have to spam this. Yo, why is this girl standing on it? Who did the most? The button has been pressed. What? Bro, how are you so fast? Did he win something? No, I'm the only... Bro, I have to be the first one. Let me infect you guys. Let me infect everyone. And again, can you please... By the way, guys, I actually will do the mines. Unless I can't. Well, I might be able to. Actually, we're gonna do doors. Whatever. We're gonna do doors again if we get 110 subscribers. Bro, I forgot. Quick, get on the platform. Yeah, I can't. Well, I need it on Lego. What is this one? Dodge it. Y'all are not. I kind of deserve that for real. Oh, no. How many coins do I have now? And I have gems? What special items? Well, bro. They still make these. It's not Halloween anymore. Basically. Alright. Good shot now. Psych. I'm not gonna do that. Oh. Accidentally hit that. Why is bro so fast? I'm gonna just go in. Yo, bro. I'm wide. I'm wide. I look bigger. I pressed the button. Oh, this one? Bro. Of course I have to be wide. Nah, bro, it's not that way. Lucky. I can't. Oh, that girl pressed it. Quick, get on the platform. Where? Oh, no. Phew! No one died this time? That's cool. Yeah, I hit it. Survived the lava sooner. Oh, I touched it. Yo, bro, of course, I have all of the emotes on my other account. Bro, this account, I just use it. Okay, guys, it's about time to end. Anyways, yeah.